Unlock the secret to capturing customer hearts and driving their loyalty with powerful personalization techniques. Using Klaviyo, you can effortlessly craft automated emails tailored to specific customer segments based on rich data profiles. Celebrate your customers with thoughtful gestures, like greetings on special occasions, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Discover how loyalty customer properties can store valuable insights about your customers, transforming your communication strategy. Did you know 76% of consumers crave personalized messages from brands? Give them what they want with tailored content. Incorporate lifecycle events to engage customers. Recognize anniversaries and celebrate achievements to deepen brand loyalty. Klaviyo's integration tracks important customer actions, allowing you to capture metrics that spotlight customer behaviors effectively. Imagine crafting a targeted abandoned cart flow, showcasing products left behind, and sparking the desire to complete purchases. Combining loyalty, customer properties, and events maximizes engagement, utilizing dynamic points reminders to reignite interest. Revolutionize your marketing initiatives with personalized approaches. Building stronger bonds leads to increased purchases and customer loyalty.